And welcome back to Seniors Rock Radio. I'm estate planning attorney Mike Robinson, partner at the law firm of Clark Peshkin, and we're joined now by someone who will stand by you. Lindsay Penrose of Benefit Representatives of America is a local certified Medicare specialist licensed with all major insurance companies in the Rochester area. Lindsay helps clients take advantage of benefits they can receive by comparing coverages. You know, we're 5 days away from the close of Medicare annual enrollment, so let's see what Lindsay from Benefit Reps can teach us today. Hi, Lindsay, and welcome back.
Hi, Mike. Thanks for having me back.
Hi, Lindsay. It's Joanna, and I am happy to have you too because we can't hear enough about Medicare these few weeks, and there is a reason for that. But I think we should back it up real quick for the listeners. There are people out there that might be saying, well, what is Medicare and who does it cover? And tell us, Lindsay.
So, Medicare is health insurance for those who are 65 and older and also receiving Social Security disability. So, we focus on Medicare Advantage plans. The Medicare Advantage bundles your Part A and your Part B and Part D coverage into one plan. So, plans may offer extra benefits that original Medicare wouldn't give you. For example, vision, hearing, and dental services.
Okay, thank you for explaining that. And so a few weeks ago, you were here and you talked about the annual enrollment period. Now, why are we talking about that again?
Annual enrollment period is the time set aside each year for changing your coverage if you choose to do so. And it started back October 15th and it ends December 7th. So the new plans are released to the public during this time for the year. So 2024 plans came out a few months ago, and each year the insurance carriers change their plans and the benefits become different. And each plan has different amounts. So it's a great time to review your plan so you make sure you know what you have going into the next year. And then taking action before December 7th allows you to have your new plan effective for January 1st.
So, Lindsay, you just said something that I don't want to gloss over because I think it's very important. Tell us, why should we compare plan coverage each year? You know, what are the benefits, and why don't we just stay pat no matter what with who we've got now?
So each carrier is going to offer different benefit amounts and different costs, from copays to deductibles to allowance money. It ranges across the board, and what you might have this year could be different next year. And also, your medical needs could be different too. So maybe you need some extra money for dental work, or even a plan with a lower copay for the specialist you've been having to see. The plans are all unique, and Medicare Advantage plans are popular because they wrap all those benefits into one. They're affordable and coordinated with the local hospitals to provide the patient centered care. They drive down those out of pocket costs.
Gotcha. And so, why might somebody want to schedule an appointment with you? Is there a charge for that?
So some people go years without a review, but their medical needs change. There's no cost for our service. Medicare clients never pay us a penny. You can call or visit our website, ssa reps.com, to schedule on our link from there. It's quick and easy. You give us the info, and then we'll do all the research.
Very good. Very good. Joanna, you had something there?
Well, I was just going to say, Lindsay is talking about, this period by December 7th, you need to make these decisions. That's really important. But what's also important is that Benefit Reps of America stays with you during the year. They're maintaining your account. They'll help you to make sure that you know what's new, right? So we tell people to make sure they're checking with attorneys. These people are important to check with too. So good stuff on Medicare. Now, stay tuned for everybody. Who used to work we've got someone here who used to work for Social Security, and that's Jamie. He's also an employee now of Benefit Reps of America. It's a family-owned business, and they're local, and he's got lots of great things to tell us about. And you can, they can work for you, and we're going to hear more today about Social Security, and especially for those people who cannot work. How can you get your benefits? Well, Jamie will hold your hand through the whole process, and that's what we're going to hear about next. on Seniors Rock Radio. Lindsay, thank you. You explained everything very well. And what's your phone number again if people want to give you a buzz?
585-663-6333.
All right. That's easy to remember.
Yep.
663-6333.
Yes, that's correct.
There it is.